Hey there, how are you? My name is Jorge Daniel, and I want to welcome you to this Power Platform Essentials video series. This is video number 8 on this series that will take you through the works on Power Platform. In the last video, we have spun up an app, and it's now time to discuss forms. Forms are the most common way to create or update records, and you have 4 kinds of forms in model-driven app. The main form, the quick form, the card form, and the quick create form that you need to enable in table property. Quick view forms allow you to show a row from a related table in the main form. A one-to-many relationship must exist between the two tables, and you cannot edit the data in the quick view form. Card forms, on the other hand, are meant to be displayed in views in a compact format. These are best suitable for mobile devices. The quick create allows you to create new records without leaving the screen you're in. You use them by clicking the plus sign in the main bar or the Add New Record button in Subgrid. As mentioned, you need to enable it. The main form is the one most used, so let's dive in it. When in a standard table like account or contact, you will have ready-made forms you can use. But when it comes to custom tables, the main form looks like this. There are a lot of options here, so let's take a look at the most relevant. And let's start with components. You can add tabs, and when you do so, you can give them a good name. And you can also get rid of components you don't want anymore. Just select it and click delete. Inside tabs is where you can add sections, either 1 column or 2 column sections. And sections are the place where you put fields and other controls. You can also add the quick view form as discussed earlier, and subgrids to show related records of another table. There's also the timeline you can add to your form if you have enabled attachments and notes for the table, and there are also many other controls such as embedding a Canvas app or a Power BI report. You can add web resources and maybe even an external website. In terms of how to organize the elements in your form, you can choose from the 1 column, 2 columns or 3 columns layout. And when you do so, you can also customize the width of those columns. Let's say this one will have 40% and this one will take the remaining 60%. With a section selected, you can go into the list of fields and simply click the fields you want to add to that section. A somewhat hidden section is the header, and it's just perfect for the owner and also for status reasons. Perfect. So let's finish this up. We got a count, we got a date, we need an amount, an expense type, and there's also description that we can drag into this one here. And with description, being it a text area, you can decide on how many rows you want it to have. And also a nice trick here is naming the section, description, and hiding this label. I think it looks nice like this. So we got an expense, an amount, maybe the date first, the expense type, and the account. We can also name this section here. So maybe expense details. And once you're happy, save and publish your form, and then go and see how it looks. Looks good? So now you can start inputting some expenses. Don't forget to populate the expense type table also. And after getting some expenses in the app, we can look at views, and that's what we'll do in the next video. I hope you are having fun with these videos and that you keep coming back for more. See you soon!